Okay, I've got the package to the grass seed that I bought. I have another bag of this in the garage, but I just finished this one up yesterday. Had just a little bit left, so I cut the front off and then I washed it down a bit. And I just have some quotes here, so I'm doing just these mini videos throughout the day, and then I'll kind of compile them at the end. In between going to the garage and going to the store, and I've got a lot to do today. I wanted to take this and just fold it over a page. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's even it out a little bit. Cut this top off. This is the zipper part. And this grass seed is, what is it? Pro Mix. And it's good for, I think, very sunny areas. I think. Oops. Okay, that's going to be straight enough. What if I put it here? No, let's just go back to where I was. Oh boy. A 5-minute video just to put this on. Yeah, that's pretty much me. Okay, I like that. I know what to do. I'm just going to staple this. No glue required. Just a stapler. That's good. Yeah, and I can put something in here if I want. I could even fold that over. Ooh. I'll figure that part out later or another day. I want to keep this permanent. I could just use maybe even just a paper clip or something just to keep it down. Yeah, I could do that. And then here's the other smaller pocket. That'll be nice. Okay. Got some quotes here. And here we go. That's nice. Let's put this one here. And I'm going to use this instead of the glue stick. So I emptied out, well, in the last few months, I've been slowly emptying out 2 or 3 of my closets, some dressers and stuff with some clothes. Oh, some of them are brand new. They're older, but I'm not throwing them out yet. So I'm just washing them and I'm kind of organizing them. I bought some clear bins and I want to put like the different sizes in different bins, shirts and this and that. So that's what I'm doing now. I've got a huge load in the dryer right now and it's taking forever to dry. So I gotta keep checking on it just to make sure it in case I have to add more time to it. That's cute there. I wasn't going to put anything there because this is the page where I have my great nephew, his pictures and stuff. So Yesterday we got some hail at about 6:30. I had just put on the rest of this grass seed along the perimeter. Anyway, I'm going to insert a video here, and I think maybe a picture of the hail that we got. I mean, we just can't catch a break up here. Like, I've got to get my garden in. Hopefully next weekend it'll be put in, but I wanted to do it a little bit at a time. Yeah, who knows what's going to happen. I'm not the only one experiencing this crazy weather. Okay, that's it for this little mini session. Here's the video of the storm and the hail. We'll see you after this for another little crafting session. See what I have upstairs to put in here. Oops. I'm filming just in time. I better wait for it to stop raining. Oh my gosh. Before I go pick that up. Yikes. Or I should do it now, because I don't want that water going in the basement. Not like it's done that before. Okay, gotta go. Bye. So then I decided to put some paint on here. I just grabbed the blue and the bottom of this cap. I just went like that. Super fun. And this is all I had for supper tonight. I didn't feel like cooking anything, so I was searching the cupboards and I found a can of maple style beans. So why not find a spot for that? I haven't used lace in my book for a long time. In my older ones, there are a few smaller pieces. So let's just rip that. I found this little sticker, and some of my ephemera. I have a few left. That's cute. I went shopping today and I found some of my favorite tea at this store, and then I came across the Junior Mints and I thought, I haven't had that in years. So I'm treating myself today. They were very good. Can't complain. Oh, that'll work out really nice. Just on top of her head. Let's cut it just a little bit closer. And we'll put glue on here. Oh, I'm going over top of this. That's okay. I'm going to cut this part off. I thought it was on this page. That's okay. Don't panic. A little bit of glue. And then I can use staples again, which seems to be my favorite lately. There, that turned out good. That. And let's just cut this part off here and maybe make this a tag right on top of I like it that I'm not spending too much time deciding where this stuff goes. Okay. So I got all my laundry folded, but I haven't put it into the large plastic tubs yet, but I still have more to wash, so that'll be another day. I work full-time, so I can't do it all at once. I need time for myself, right? Okay, I've been doing some watercolor on my huge, or inside my huge dictionary book. Front cover here. Ooh, I like that. Let's chop this off. I prefer a raw, torn edge, but oh, I like that a lot. This book is this dictionary I bought from a woman in my city, and she wanted quite a bit for it, but I didn't argue too much because the book was about 6 or 7 inches deep. I mean, it was huge. And it was very old. I think it was from the 60s. She had bought it new, but I didn't dare tell her that I was ripping it up or painting in it. Even though, you know, I bought it and I can do whatever I want with it. I don't like to tell the buyers exactly what I'm doing, especially if I'm ripping it apart. Now, I would prefer all this tape that I'm putting on here be stained with the alcohol ink, but I just don't have time. I guess I could stop the video and color some, but not today. And I think I've got one more thing here. I've been working on a zine for next month, but I haven't had much time. Just playing around with this one here, some of my artwork. So I think I'm just going to clip this here. And every time I work in my book, this will be a reminder to maybe go up to the computer and keep playing around with that. Yeah, the book's turning out really good. Still lots of room to put stuff in. I'm glad that I took these 2 signatures out and put them in this new book. This was a super fun cover to make. Ooh, let's do that. Just add a little bit of color on the edge of the page. Like this. That's always fun. That turned out really nice. Put that there, and I can maybe put a quote on later. Get some glue out of here. I wanted these letters in my alphabet stash, like I said in my last video, but it's still sitting on my desk, so I figured I would just put it on there. How about this little guy? A little flower. Definitely needs to go somewhere. Oops.